Calgary is located in the province of Alberta, Canada, and is the largest city in the province. The city was founded in 1875 near Fort Calgary, which was established by the Northwest Mounted Police to maintain law and order in the region. Calgary is known for its annual Calgary Stampede, a 10-day rodeo, exhibition, and festival held every July, often referred to as the greatest outdoor show on Earth. The Calgary Stampede attracts over 1 million visitors each year, showcasing rodeo events, concerts, and agricultural competitions. The city has a population of over 1.3 million people, making it the third largest city in Canada. Calgary is situated near the Canadian Rockies, providing residents and visitors easy access to outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, and mountain biking. The city's elevation is approximately 1,045 meters, 3,428 feet, above sea level, making it one of the highest major cities in Canada. Calgary has a diverse economy, with key industries including oil and gas, technology, agriculture, and tourism. The Calgary Tower, completed in 1968, stands at 191 meters, 627 feet, tall and offers panoramic views of the city and the Rocky Mountain. The city is home to the Calgary Flames, a professional ice hockey team that competes in the National Hockey League, NHL. Calgary hosted the Winter Olympics in 1988, becoming the first Canadian city to do so, and it has since been recognized for its well-organized games. The city's public transportation system includes Calgary Transit, which operates buses, and the C-Train light rail system. Calgary is known for its unique weather phenomenon called Chinook winds, which can cause sudden temperature increases in winter, melting snow rapidly. The city has over 800 kilometers, 500 miles, of pathways and bikeways, making it an excellent place for cycling and walking. Calgary is one of the sunniest cities in Canada, receiving an average of 2,300 hours of sunshine annually. The city's cultural scene includes the Glenbow Museum, which features art and historical exhibits, and the Calgary Philharmonic Orchestra. Calgary's Zoo, established in 1929, is one of the largest and most visited zoos in Canada, home to over 1,000 animals from various species. The city hosts several annual festivals, including the Calgary Folk Music Festival and the Calgary International Film Festival. Calgary has a vibrant culinary scene, known for its diverse array of restaurants and food trucks offering international cuisines. The city is home to several post-secondary institutions, including the University of Calgary and Mount Royal University. Calgary's Beltline neighborhood is known for its trendy eateries, nightlife, and art galleries, attracting a younger demographic. The city has a strong focus on sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting green spaces. Calgary is known for its high quality of life, ranking consistently among the top cities in Canada for livability. The city's economy is bolstered by the presence of numerous corporate headquarters, particularly in the oil and gas sector. Calgary Central Library, opened in 2018, is an architectural marvel that features a unique design and serves as a community hub. The city hosts the Calgary International Airport, which is one of the busiest airports in Canada, serving as a gateway to the Rockies. Calgary has a multicultural population, with over 120 different ethnic backgrounds represented within the city. The city is home to the Heritage Park Historical Village, which showcases Canada's history through preserved buildings and historical reenactments. Calgary is known for its extensive park system, including Prince's Island Park, which hosts various events and festivals throughout the year. The city has a strong sports culture, with teams in various professional leagues, including soccer, rugby, and lacrosse. Calgary has been recognized as a leader in innovation, with a growing tech sector and numerous startups. The annual Calgary Film Festival highlights independent films and features Canadian and international filmmakers. The Calgary Stampede's famous chuckwagon races are a unique and thrilling aspect of the event, attracting competitors and spectators alike. Calgary's historic Stephen Avenue Walk is a pedestrian-friendly street lined with shops, restaurants, and historic buildings. The city's location near the Bow River provides opportunities for activities like kayaking, fishing, and paddleboarding. Calgary is home to several craft breweries and distilleries, contributing to the city's burgeoning craft beverage scene. The city has a strong focus on arts and culture, with various theaters, galleries, and performance spaces showcasing local talent. Calgary's population is relatively young compared to other Canadian cities, with a significant number of residents between the ages of 25 and 34. The Calgary Folk Music Festival features performances by both emerging and established artists from various genres. The city's Spruce Meadows is a world-renowned equestrian facility that hosts international show jumping events. Calgary has multiple shopping districts, including Chinook Centre, one of the largest shopping malls in Canada. The city is known for its friendly and welcoming atmosphere, often referred to as Calgary's hospitality. Calgary has been recognized as one of the best cities for business in Canada, thanks to its favorable tax environment and skilled workforce. The city's public parks and recreational facilities offer numerous options for outdoor activities, including sports fields, playgrounds, and picnic areas. Calgary's diverse neighborhoods each have their unique character, ranging from historic districts to modern urban developments. The city has a strong volunteer culture, with many residents actively participating in community service and charitable organizations.